Staff Rosters. This video will show you how to use Staff Rosters section of Phorest. Click Manager. Under Staff, click Staff Rosters. Here you will see a list of staff members. Click onto a staff member's name to see their rostered month. From the top of the screen you can view their previous or next month, or just click on this month for a current view. The first thing we'll do is set up a roster for your recently added staff member. Find the staff name and double-click on any day in the calendar screen. Under Event Details, you can choose Working Day, Day Off, or Working in multiple branches. Now set the start date for your staff member. Let's say their hours are typically 9 to 6. Click the start time and end time boxes and use their pop-out box to enter the times. Now tick the Repeat checkbox. This is to say whether the rosters repeat every week, every second week, and so on. You can preview how this looks on the calendar on the right-hand side. For now, we will say the rosters repeat every 1 week. Now select the days the rosters repeat on. Here we will tick Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Tick Repeat Forever if this is a continuous roster. Tick Number of times to repeat if you only want this roster to roll for a particular number of weeks. Tick Repeat Until to give a definite end date. For this purpose, we are going to say the roster repeats until the last Friday of October. Now you can see your new staff member's hours highlighted on the calendar. Click Save to schedule this roster. You can repeat this process for any annual leave days or sick days. Double-click on any of the days, only this time under Event Details select Day Off. Once you've selected Day Off, you can state a reason for the day off by using one of the pre-selects, or add in a custom reason. Click Save again to continue. To delete a day, tap once on the day and click Delete at the bottom of the screen. In the pop-out box, state if you want to delete all days forever, delete a particular number of days to repeat, or delete all days until a defined date. Click Delete to continue. If a staff member needed to go home sick or is taking a day off, click on Day and check the Half Day box. Using the drop-down, select Sick Day. Under the checkbox, you must now state the start and end time for when the staff member is unavailable for appointments. The start time is when the staff member finishes up. If they left sick at 2 p.m, put 2 p.m. into the start time. The end time is when they were due to finish up. A pop-out box will appear to show you how the time period will count towards their days off on the Staff Days Off report. The staff member will now be blocked out from 2 p.m. until 6 p.m. You can print a staff member roster from the roster screen. Just highlight the staff member's name and click Print at the bottom of the screen to generate a report. You will only see a printable roster for a particular month. You can click Print at the bottom of the screen and also download it as a PDF, HTML, Excel, or CSV format. You will need to repeat this process for each individual month. In the Staff Roster section, you can now decide whether to enable time management for clocking staff in and out. When you click Turn On, Off, Time Management, the Clock In, Out button will appear or disappear from the left-hand side of your screen above Contact Support. If you have time management enabled, the Clock In, Out option will also appear under Advanced in Staff Category section. Here you will see a full record of the staff members' clocked in and clocked out hours.